What's good, amazing souls? Is your boy Beto Williams, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, turn up your notification bell button, so whenever I post this amazing content, you'll be the first person to get it. And also the like button, because definitely I'm very sure you enjoy this content, because this content is so valuable that will make you very successful. So basically, as the title suggests, the shortcut for you to become very successful in forex trading. And to be honest, for like to kickstart my forex journey, these 5 things, if someone has told me these 5 things, or I sat down and think about these 5 things, journey that could have taken me 5 years or a year or 2 years or a year, and could have taken me 6 months for me to become successful in forex trading. And what do I mean? To become very successful in forex trading is very simple. If you follow these 5 steps I'll give to you, and I'll also explain all these steps. The first one is the right mindset. So what I mean by having the right mindset is this: the right mindset, you can be successful in anything you want to do. So you have to have the right mindset in forex trading for you to become successful. And having the right mindset is by you first being connected with your creator, your God, being in harmony with yourself, being in peace with yourself, like personal development on yourself, so you grow mentally. That's what having the right mindset is all about. You understand? So when you're in harmony with yourself, when you're in peace with yourself, when you're growing personally, when you're in connection with your God, your creator, then you're already quarter or halfway towards success in forex trading. Then the second thing that you need to do is to find a mentor. Like, yes, I know you must have heard about it, but to be honest, truth be told, when I started, I was jumping from this YouTube channel to the other YouTube channel to the other YouTube channel, looking for strategy, but it does not make sense. So the best thing you have to do is just very simple: sit down, study different mentors that you know that you really like, that really move in according to your personality, to your lifestyle you like. Mentors that have results, mentors that have track records of success, not just mentors that make noise. They're talking about results, people that their results speaks louder than their words. You understand? Make sure that your mentor has track record of success already in forex trading, and he aligns with your personality. So once he aligns with your personality and he has that track record, let him mentor you. If you I know that most of you like, yes, but I don't have money to pay my mentor, so how will I go about it? What I did in my own way was basically very simple. I offered to serve him for free in exchange for the knowledge in forex trading. Yeah, some of you might not be opportune to get that kind of service. What I advise you to do again is to save up. If you really want it, to be honest, it will only take you time, but if you really want it, save up for that mentorship. And how do you save up? By looking for a job or looking for a skill that pay, and saving up and pay for the mentorship. Because even if you don't pay for that mentorship, one way or the other, you still pay for that mentorship. Why? Because one, you will blow accounts. If you think that you watching just YouTube videos will help you, you will definitely blow accounts. So that money that you're meant to use to blow the accounts, why not just save it up and pay for mentorship to learn? Work is just laboring under the correct knowledge. So if you want to be lucky, you have to start laboring on the correct knowledge. And I've given you solutions on whether or not you have money on getting the right mentorship for yourself. So there is no excuse for you not to have the right mentor to start becoming very successful in this forex trade. When you have gotten the right mentorship, the third thing you need to do is applying. Like, now is your own personal decision, your own personal research that will also make you successful. Not just because your mentor told you this A, this B, this C, you now fold your arms and like, oh yes, he just told me, so you have to work towards your own. You have to work personally, practicalize everything your mentor taught you, because he will give you everything, but he won't be dragging you every single time. So you have to practicalize every single thing he taught you, every single thing he have learned from him, so that you can also be successful in this forex. Take that, make sure you do the assignments he gave you, make sure you listen to him, make sure you apply the right information, and make sure you correct yourself whenever he corrects you. So for you to become successful, you have to listen and start practicalizing everything that you have been taught. Then the fourth one you need to do is basically very simple. When you're practicalizing, don't practice with the demo account. Why do I say so? Practicing with demo account, there is no emotion attached to it. So whenever you blow the first one, you won't have any reason to go back to know the reason why you actually blew the account. Like you journaling your trades because of his demo account. You just give it all this lackadaisical attitude towards it because it's a demo account. After all, what are you losing? You're not losing anything. is just fake money. Once you're practicing with a real account, trust me, you'll be more focused on it. You start journaling your trades, you start practicing everything properly. So whenever you make mistake or whenever you blow the account, you go back and check the mistakes that made you to blow the account. So you see, practicing with demo is wasting of time. I will tell you the truth, it's wasting of time. Don't try it. So you have to practice with real money so that you become very successful in forex trading. Then the fifth one and the last one is very simple. Once you really start correcting your mistakes for the fourth one, you start seeing yourself being profitable. What you need to do is start scaling up for bigger funds. And how do you get bigger funds? For you to get bigger funds, are you applying for prop firms? Prop firms are proprietary firms, are industries that give you opportunity to large sum of amount of money. All you have to do is to just pay a little token for you to be able to trade a larger account. And the prop firm I do use is Consummate Traders. The link is in the description below. So I make use of Consummate Traders. Prop firm gives you the ability to trade larger and bigger account size. So even though if you have like $50, you can trade account of $5,000. If you have $100, you can trade account of $10,000. So you scaling up your funds is now the last thing for you to become successful in forex trading. So this is basically very simple and very straightforward. These are 5 easy steps. Like, I bet you, if you follow these 5 steps, I guarantee you'll be very successful in short time in forex trading. Trust me. I'm not even here for your views or for you to like the video, for real. Like, I'm just trying to tell you the truth. I'm meant to give you something that in return will give you value. You understand? So I'm not here for, it's not a clickbait for me. I don't care. If I don't post this, you don't beat me. But I'm just trying to give you guys reasonable content that will actually shortcut the process for you and bring success for you very, very quick in forex business, in forex trading. So these are the things you need to apply for you to become successful. And I bet you, if you apply, only if you apply these steps I do give you, that's when you become successful in forex trading. So that's basically. I know you must have gotten amazing value from this content. Please feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and also turn up your notification bell button, so whenever I post, you'll be the first person to get it. And share this video to your loved ones, to your friends, to your families, to everyone you know, so they can also be part of this financial freedom we all seek for in forex trading. Let's go, Shaya.